Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha. Well, anger, gussa is a major problem and we have received so many requests from all of you wonderful subscribers that Acharya ji, please share some yogic practices, please share some day-to-day tips to control anger. गुस्से को कैसे नियंत्रित करें? आइए आज हम जानते हैं कि आप अपने गुस्से को कैसे नियंत्रित कर सकते हैं।
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भारत योगा यूट्यूब चैनल को, सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलें हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए, और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है।
The very most important thing which you need to understand is we become angry on past. Yes, you heard it right. We become angry on past. We become angry, we lose our temper on something which has already happened. Even if you say somebody shouts at you, he has already shouted at you and now your reaction is the anger. So just understand you cannot change the past. Hence, anger is the most useless thing in this world. और कहा भी गया क्रोध जो है वो आपको खाता है, आपके शरीर को भी खाता है, आपके मस्तिष्क को भी खाता है. So you need to be very careful about your own emotions. Now, how is that possible? How to control your anger? There are a few tips which I'm going to share with you in this episode. First thing, always remember, you are reacting to something which has already happened, which is a past, and the universal truth is you can't go back in life and you just cannot change the past. So don't be angry. Second thing is, there is a very important aspect of yoga which is called maun, silence. Something happens and you just react, and that reaction is something which you regret later. Hence, try to be silent for 10 to 20 seconds. When something happens, just be silent for 10 to 20 seconds. Practice maun for 10 to 20 seconds. That will give you a time, a space to think about your reaction. Third thing is practice, we call it yoga fast or yoga upavas ya yoga vrat. Practice vrat once in a day. As you do, I'm fasting for Monday, I'm fasting for Tuesday, I'm fasting for Thursday, I'm fasting for Friday, I'm fasting for Sunday. So same way, once in a week fast. And fast in what way? Today I'm fasting for my anger. So today is the day when I'm not going to lose my temper. And you need to keep a notebook, keep a check on your emotions whole day. And then you can share with us in the comment box below what are your experiences, because we have done it so many times with our sadhaks at our Yog Shivers, Bharat Yog Shivers. We follow one day of no anger day, one day of fasting against the anger, and we have seen amazing results. So it begins with one day. Generally people say, why to do something for one day? At least one day. Begin with one day. Even the biggest things happen with small things. Worst things also happen with small things, and good things also, great things also happen with small things. So you need to give it a start. Start with one day and gradually it will become your habit, your everyday habit. Now, I'm going to share with you a few very easy Bharat Yoga practices which you have to practice every single day, and trust me, if you practice it every day, you will see amazing change in your temperament, in your emotional balance, and in your life. Stay happy, stay healthy, and yes, do not forget to follow Attahas, that is the yoga laugh. Just relax your abdomen, relax your chest, open your arms and laugh for 30 seconds. We call it free laughter, the yoga laughs. Just leave your body loose and you have to do it for 30 seconds and see, this will become viral, and not just you but the people around you will also start feeling light and happy. Just remember, we have got this human life to be happy and not to be stressed, not to create tensions for yourself and for others, and not to feel angry. Stay happy, stay healthy. Dhanyavad. Hari Om.
For Guru Pranam Asana, sit in Vajrasana. Keep your spine straight. Bring your hands in Namaste position. While inhaling, lift up your hands. Stretch your arms up and try to bend a little back. While exhaling, bend forward with your lower back, middle back, upper back. Touch your palms, elbows and forehead on the ground. Hold this position as long as comfortable with normal breathing. Lift up your elbows, palms, hands, forehead. Stretch your body, bend backward and slowly bring your hands down in Namaste position. Gomukhasan. For Gomukhasan, sit in this position, right heel touching left hip and left heel touching right hip. Leg which is on the upper side, same hand will go from the above and another hand from the down, and try to join your hands. Don't bend forward. Keep your spine straight and take 5 deep breaths inside, 5 deep inhalations, and then come back. Repeat the same by changing the position of legs and of course hands as well. Feel the expansion of lungs, expansion of chest. Go means cow and Mukh means face of cow. Cow is the most peaceful animal. Hence, this practice keeps us anger-free and peaceful. I hope you found this video helpful. I will be uploading a new video every Sunday. Subscribe to this channel and stay connected to us. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. You can also join us at Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.